Survey software tools are more than just a simple web page with filling information spaces. They are also great opportunities for customer experience and even visits to your online store. With this in mind, choosing the right platform is critical to increasing interaction with your audience. And the platform that we are sharing with you today can help you achieve that and much more. In today's video, we will show you the complete solution package for great surveys using Questionpro, a web-based, simple-to-use application that allows users to create and distribute surveys. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. The platform is a wizard for writing survey questions, an email or website distribution mechanism, and tools for evaluating and viewing your results. You can simply create your surveys and send them to a list of possible responders through email or put the URL link anywhere you like. All responses will be collected and recorded by Questionpro, making the results immediately accessible. Questionpro Sample lets you buy responses. For example, you can send a quick health screening survey to your employees, vendors, or guests. They are not invasive. Real-time surveys are easy to construct and reply to. The service also conforms with local and federal rules to protect your privacy and data. Questionpro uses policies, methods, and controls to help it fulfill the most demanding information security standards. In addition, you can include your logo, custom colors, and fonts to make your survey match your brand style. The Questionpro mobile phone app works with all devices and operating systems, including iPad, iPhone, and Android. In addition to collecting offline survey data, the mobile surveys app allows users to set action alerts, customize their user experience, and capture location data. You can also complete surveys off-site and on the go. All responses are retained locally on your device until synced with a database online. Additionally, the platform's configurable survey and questionnaire builder saves businesses and clients time by making it simple to create and distribute surveys. You will be able to do high-frequency research in a short period of time. The Slack interface allows you to collect quick survey responses. You can also reach out to more than 10 niche audiences, including veterinarians, app developers, building contractors, gamers, small business owners, and others. Additionally, you can take advantage of the capabilities of smartphones by asking respondents to take images, videos, or engage in mobile diaries. You will gain access to millions of survey respondents, providing you with an ever-expanding universe. To preserve the integrity of research panels, Questionpro uses stringent recruitment processes and maintains them on an ongoing basis, cutting-edge technology, with global integrated solutions and panel count in real time to ensure login. Did you see how complete this software is to create awesome surveys to collect valuable data for your business? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Questionpro services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other cool features Questionpro has for you. Questionpro online community software helps you engage your customers intelligently. The software supports over 50 question kinds, from simple surveys to logic and branching. This means that you can connect with your passionate customers and gain valuable feedback from them, rewarding your local customers with interactive points, gamification badges, cash, and donations. With Questionpro's purpose-built community features, you can also construct a standalone branded website for your members. In addition, you can use mobile technologies to distribute member comments and polls on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You can also create reports and alter slides in HTML and PDF formats. This contains turf, shade, weighting, and GAP analysis. Questionpro helps you better understand your target market and customers, build stronger relationships, identify business drivers, and improve sales processes. Questionpro includes NPS, root cause, and comment question types. The platform computes your NPS score, investigates its causes, and allows customers to provide further information. Additionally, the NPS Plus feature is more than just a score. It empowers customers by inquiring about the reasons for the evaluations. The voting method then allows people to vote for specific consumer comments. Overall, this will assist you in determining which concerns must be handled promptly. The use of live polls allows you to communicate with and engage a real-time audience. By creating a free account, you can begin adding all the questions you require to your trivia collection in a matter of seconds. You will get the entire community involved. Your audience members will get a chance to express themselves and to gather the best of their comments, thoughts, and ideas as a group as you speak. Questionpro is an online member experience platform that can assist you in harnessing valuable input and putting it to use for your credit union. You can collaborate with Questionpro to analyze data and make the best decisions for your members. You can also map all stages of your customer's journey to assess what inspires them at each touchpoint, integrate the data, and implement it. Besides, you can share critical findings with employees and management to collaborate on strategy development. As a result, all expectations will be met and exceeded, making your clients happier every time. Questionpro allows users to retrieve survey data and metadata associated with the user while collecting responses. Here, you'll get specifics like an individual's IP address and browser type. Users and respondents alike benefit from Questionpro's efforts to make online surveying a breeze. As a result, the platform has developed a robust method for verifying that any data collected via the platform is GDPR compliant. Create amazing surveys with a complete solution package using Questionpro by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.